Hey guys, how's it going? So, Apple will crash after earnings. Personally, I don't know. I mean, it is valued at 2.311 trillion, and very, very little of that is, in my opinion, retail investors. It's, you know, maybe $100 billion is retail, and then the rest is like institutions and hedge funds and central banks and whatever money that makes up $2.311 trillion. Because there's so many companies out there. There's Amazon, there's Tesla. It's just hard to believe that retail make up like half of Apple's share price. I say maybe 1/10 or maybe even 1/20th of Apple's share price is retail, and the rest is institutions and hedge funds and really, really, really rich people. Anyways, so Apple is having the earnings on February 2nd. I thought I'd make a video on it just because um, Apple, like, I ran across this. This was released on January 26th, 2023. Smartphone shipments plunged to the low not seen in 2013, the largest ever decline. What happened? Stock didn't even move at all. It went up. It went up. January 26th. What is this? Yeah. Oh, it dipped, and then what happened? It went up. So you can't, bad news, bad earnings. Nothing matters anymore. If the market wants to pump the stock market, they will pump the stock market. It's just that simple. I mean, and rich people, if they want to pump the banks came out with earnings not too long ago, and they were terrible. Or some of them were terrible, and the banks still went up anyways. So, just nothing in this market makes sense anymore. It's rich people, if they want to pump it, they will pump it. I highly doubt it's the retail investors. Retail investors are not that rich. They can't pump all the bank stocks all at once. They can't pump Tesla stock and Apple stock and Google and Amazon and all those like big companies that are worth trillions of dollars. I hardly believe that retail investors are that rich and have that much money in their disposable income to be pumping $1 trillion companies. I just don't think so. Somebody has to be pumping it. So as long as rich people don't want to, crash the stock, it won't crash. It's just that simple. So unless some kind of news comes along that scares the rich people to, rich people decide, hey, you know what? We pumped the market enough. Let's go crash it. Then it'll go down. Retail can't control that. Retail only want one thing: stocks to keep going higher and higher. That's what retail wants. So, anyway, smartphone shipment plunged. Does that matter? No, not to the market. They don't care. So, if earnings were miss expectations, it might dip 5%, it might dip 10%. But it'll probably go back up if the market decides, hey, we don't want to crash yet. We want to go higher. And Apple stock will follow. That's just how the market works. Anyways, that's my 2 cents on the whole subject. Could it crash? It could, but that'll be like a 1 or 2 day thing, and then the market will be like, oh, we don't want the market to crash. Let's pump it up higher, and then Apple will follow. That's just how I see things. I could be wrong, and Apple could potentially crash the entire market. We'll see. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.